Hi, my name is Rebecca Murphy. I work for Gwranda. I'm the Senior Community Housing Officer. We've been running for 60 years now. We're a social landlord. We deal in general needs, we deal in supported living, and we deal in older persons housing. So I decided to do an apprenticeship in housing because I'd previously done the level 3. So I thought it was time, with having promotions within my role and development, it was good to make sure that I can confirm my knowledge really on what I need to learn extra and what I can give back to people. With the changes here with Rent and Home Wales and policy changes, sort of the needs out there in the public change as well, it helps firm what I need to know and what I need to do to help people. Studying through Gower College has been great. I'm dyslexic and I'm on the ADHD pathway as well. I got a family of 5 at home as well, my boys. I've had great help and support through my course. So very good verbally. Where the process and my blocks are is getting my words onto paper. People have asked me questions, they've listened to my dictation of it, and then it's formatted into text for me. I suppose you won't get that everywhere. You won't get those extra measures, support and help. Anytime I need support or help, George, my tutor, she's amazing. She would text me or email me, "You okay? Do you need some extra help?" So it's that support and reassurance that's really helped me and sort of pulled me through the qualification. I would say honestly, if anyone is thinking of doing an apprenticeship, do it with Gower College. They're so helpful. Definitely do it.